Hello guys, I found an AI tool that does almost everything. With this AI tool, you'll be able to generate a realistic AI video, AI photo, A- AI music, and also you'll be able to clone your voice as you can see. And also there are a lot of things that you can actually do with this AI tool, including AI background remover, also background replacement, AI lip sync, lifting profile picture, and so on and so forth. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking my time step by step and show you the amazing feature in this AI tool. This is just you having all the AI model in one tool. So instead of you to pay for so many AI tools, with this particular AI tool, you can access almost all AI model with just a single subscription. So first of all, let's go ahead and explore the video aspect of this AI tool. Let's go ahead and generate a realistic AI video and see the quality of the video.
Just come to the video tools and you're going to see AI video generator. Okay, go ahead and click it. Okay, and as you can see, so these are the interface is going to look like. First of all, let's go ahead and try the image to video and see what you are going to get. So go ahead and upload your image. Click here. All right, so let me say this is the image that I want to convert to video. Okay, so you just have to go ahead and select the aspect ratio. As you can see there, this site actually supports different kind of aspect ratio. For the purpose of YouTube, I will just have to go ahead and select 16:9. Okay, and then upload. As you can see, our image has been uploaded, so you just have to go ahead and paste a prompt in order for you to control the video. Okay, so I'll just have to go ahead and paste my prompt, and then this is going to cost me just 11 AI credits. Okay, very low. Okay, then go ahead and click generate. So as you can see, it doesn't take much time. Okay, that's one thing I love about this site. All right guys, so the video has been generated. Okay, and let me play the video so that you see. I just like how realistic the video look like. Okay, like this is top notch, this is cool. So for you to download your video, look at this drop down arrow. You can just go ahead and click download, and the video will be downloaded into your gallery. Okay, so now I want us to check out some other and also look at this particular video I generated. Okay, let me show you. Okay, look at this particular video. I also generated this video using this tool. Guys, this is cool. Look how realistic the video is, and the video quality is top notch. Okay, and you can actually lip sync this video. Like the way I generate this video, you can actually make it talk just like your Google VAO3. Okay, you just have to check the description of this video and you're going to see a particular video on how to make this video to talk just like your Google VAO3. Okay,
Next, let's try the AI image generator of this AI tool and see the quality of the photo. All right, guys, so here we are on the interface. So there are two methods in which you can use to generate your image. Okay, one is text to image and other one is image to image. Maybe you want to generate like an avatar. Okay, you can provide the original image and convert it to something like avatar. Okay, so now we want to generate image from scratch, so you just have to go ahead and paste your prompt and then select your aspect ratio. So I'm going to select 16:9 and then number of image per prompt. Okay, like this particular prompt, how many image do I want the AI to generate for me per prompt? Okay, two is okay. Then go ahead and hit generate. Wow, guy, this is cool. This is nice. So what I was trying to do is to generate image of a lady in a kitchen, okay, sliding vegetable, and the result come out so well. Okay, look at the first and the second image. Everything is top notch. Okay, wow, guy, this is cool. This is nice. This is what we want. We got it right. The image quality is top notch. Look at the image quality. Okay, you see, look at the knife, the carrot. Everything is very okay. All right. All right. So next, let's try the AI music generator. Okay. Go ahead and click it. And then as you can see, you see describe your song. Let's just do something like Afrobeat. All right. And then you can actually auto generate the lyrics, or you can custom or you can actually put your own lyrics. Okay, and also if you want you can also adjust the instrumental. All right, and then you can select the length, and also you can choose the title of your song. Let me say the title, you can go ahead and select the length of the music, okay, and then when you are done, you just have to go ahead and click, let me just say 60 seconds, hit okay. Now let's watch and see. All right guys, so as you can see, the music has been generated. Let's go ahead and play it and see what we got.
Sunrise dancing on the riverside. Mama calling me a floating ride. Drawn to dance, feeling, sipping on an evil soul. We light the spark, let it rise and burn so blue. Oh, yeah, dance on your groove. Feel the vibes inside, from Lagos to Accra. Let the spirit guide everybody now. Right hands touch the sky. This is our time.
All right guys, so this is good, this is nice. So let's go ahead and try another AI tool and see what we are going to get, another feature, okay? So let's try the background remover and see how precise it is, okay? So you just have to go ahead and click it, okay? Go ahead and click it. And then go ahead and upload the image that you want to change the background. Let me say I want to change the background of this image. Okay, wow. Guys, this is cool. This is nice. Look at the real image and then look at that. Wow. Like, yes, this is top notch. Okay, the background was removed perfectly without cutting any of the body, the air, everything is kept while only the background was removed to show you that this AI is very, very intelligent. Okay, with this AI tool, you can actually do a lot. Okay, look at the AI photo generators. Okay, look at the feature under this. You see, AI portrait generator, AI headshot, LinkedIn, AI image generator, AI avatar, AI meme generator, AI baby generator. Like it is too much, and also the photo editing feature. Look at it: photo anime, AI baby filter, AI old filter, image painting, and so on and so forth. Background changer, AI image painting, sharpen image, AI passport, and so on and so forth. And also look at it, Nano Banana AI, which you can use here. And also look at the background remover feature. You have the background remover and object remover. Okay, should in case you take a picture and then there's something at the back or someone is standing at the back and then you want to remove that person, you can actually go ahead and remove it. And also magic eraser is also here, and also AI photo enhancer. Okay, if you snap a picture and then you want to enhance it, you can bring it here to enhance it. And also unblur image, maybe your image is blur and then you want to unblur it, you can bring it here. And also the music generator, the video generator, the online video editor. Okay, you can just put all the clip that we just generated, you can just go ahead, put all the clips, and then you get it edited for you. Instead of spending tons of time editing your video one by one manually, you can actually go ahead and upload all the clips, and then boom, this AI is going to help you to edit the video. And also image to video and AI talking photo, all right, and also AI portrait. Like there are a whole lot of things that you can do with this AI tool. And guess what? The pricing is very, very affordable. Okay, now let me show you, let me shock you. You can just go ahead and click this pricing. The pricing actually starts from $5.99 and the most popular is $9.99. Okay, with this most popular, which is $9.99, you are going to get 530 AI credit plus 200 bonus. Okay, if you use my bonus code. All right, and I'm going to be leaving my bonus code at the description of this video. If you use my bonus code, you are going to have a slash price. Okay, a very low. All right, you are not going to pay up to this. Okay, and if you want to upgrade, then I highly recommend you to go for the $49.99 because that's going to help you a lot. And then there's this ultra that is $299 only. Okay, and as you can see, so it depends on what you do with your AI. If you're into filmmaking, this is the best plan for you. Okay, and if you use my promo code, which is at the description of this video, or check the first comment of this video, you are not going to pay up to this price. Okay, you are going to have a bonus. All right, so this is just you saving more money. Instead of you to pay a huge amount of money and subscribe to so many AI tool, you can just come here, subscribe to this just AI tool, and you have access to every AI tool that you want to use. You can go ahead and explore more. There are a whole lot of things that you can still do with this AI tool. As you can see, these are the free Let me show you. These are the free tool that you can use. Okay, crop image, image converter, meme maker, ugly avatar generator, extract audio from video, webcam tester, microphone tester, and these are free tool that you can use from this AI tool. Okay,